In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delay email delivery in Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to compose an email now but send it at a specific time later. Maybe you're working late but don't want to send emails outside business hours, or perhaps you want to time your message perfectly for when your recipient is most likely to read it. Whatever your reason, Outlook's Schedule Send feature makes it simple and effective. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and compose your email as usual. Click on New Email to start a fresh message. Next, enter the receiver details in the To field. Type in the email address of the person or people you want to send the message to. Then add your subject line in the subject field. Make this clear and descriptive so your recipient knows what the email is about. Now, type your message in the body of the email. Write everything you need to say. Add any attachments if necessary, and format the text as you normally would. Once your email is fully composed and ready to go, here's where things change. Instead of hitting the regular send button like you usually would, look for the small drop-down arrow next to the send button. Click on that drop-down arrow and select Schedule Send from the menu that appears. A new window will pop up with scheduling options. You'll see some preset times like tomorrow morning or later today. But for full control, click on the Custom Time option. This lets you choose exactly when you want the email to be sent. A calendar and time picker will appear. Select the date you want the email to be delivered. Click on the correct day in the calendar. Then choose the specific time by adjusting the hour and minute fields. Make sure to set the correct AM or PM if your system uses 12-hour time. Before you finalize, double-check all the details. Review the recipient's email address, the subject line, the message content, and especially the scheduled date and time. This is important because once you schedule the email, you want to be sure everything is correct. When you're confident everything looks good, click Send. Your email is now scheduled and will be delivered automatically at the exact date and time you specified. You don't need to keep Outlook open or your computer on. Outlook's servers handle the delivery for you, and that's it. You've successfully scheduled an email in Outlook to be sent at a later time. This is a powerful feature that can help you manage your communication more professionally and efficiently. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.